Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Store if it opens and closes immediately or doesn't launch at all on Windows 11. Open the search bar and type Run. In the Run window, type wsreset.exe. Press Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store. Open Search and type Microsoft Store. Right-click it and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair. If that doesn't fix the problem, click Reset and confirm by clicking Reset again. Open Search and type Services. Click on any service, then press C on your keyboard to jump to Client License Service. Double-click it and check the service status. If it's stopped, click Start. If it's running, click Stop, then Start again. Press OK. Click on any service again, press M, and scroll to Microsoft Store Install Service. Do the same. Make sure it's running, or stop and start it again. After completing all these steps, restart your computer. The Microsoft Store should now open normally, without closing right away. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if your Microsoft Store is working again. Thanks for watching.